Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both stayed bearish for the day, traded in a modest range, I can say, in between 34,550 to 34,670 levels, and Tech 100 between 14,400 to 15,400 to 500 levels. So now what to expect with the US session from Tech 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading and training queries. Let's start first. We will look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Now look at US 100. See, it is creating steps here. See, now this is bearishness and this is expanding. Does it suggest increasing bearishness? Above 15,500 is where the bulls will try to take over, and hence any buying entry for Tech 100 is above 15,500. Services PMI data may try to bring volatility, hence you should be cautious. But yes, this is the zone where it is going to get the first resistance, and the next resistance is at 15,560. Only bullishness is confirmed if it stays above 15,560. Stochastic flat, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat on the hourly charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, 20 period moving average achieved. If it drops below 15,440, now we can expect 15,420, 400 as the major support. And then 15,360, 340 levels is the next support level. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. So what we discussed in the earlier update today, all the levels remain intact, but only one observation here. See, it is getting support here. Double bottom levels are seen. I will definitely observe more. If it stays above 15,500, we can expect it as, we can see it as double bottom, and then we can also expect it to stay in the box, which suggests 15,550, 560 levels should be seen, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic flat, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, now on the 4-hour charts, see, previous candle could be a reversal sign. It is, yes, formed a double bottom also. You can see this almost giving or yielding higher lows, and yes, these are the same levels where it has got the resistance. So 15,400, 420 ultimate resistance level, and higher lows, higher highs means again 15,420, 440 levels will be definitely great resistance. At the same time, above 500, 520 zone is where the bulls will take over, and then you can again look forward to 15,560. Stochastic has dropped, MACD trading bearish, RSI looking downwards. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily chart. So far higher lows are done. A reversal confirmation, if it rises above 15,500, breaks past 560. Yes, you can see it rising towards the double top levels, which are right now at around 15,620, and then beyond that more bullishness is going to take it further till towards 750, 800 levels. Let's see which direction it gives a breakout. The moving averages are still bullish. It can converge towards moving averages. Stochastic is looking down. MACD is in green trying to converge while RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 15,500 levels, above which you can still, you have to still remain cautious as long as 560 is not breached. On the downside, you can sell at 15,440 levels, or rather 420 levels it's safe, but then 15,400 and then 15,340, 360 are the greater supports for Tech 100. You have to be careful there. Take position accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on 11th of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation, drop. So now it is creating steps here. And this is the bearish channel. On the upside, a reversal confirmation here on US30 is above 34,650 levels, above which we can expect it to rise more. But right now it is trying to stay bearish as of now. Stochastic is also at bottom, MACD is also at bottom, and RSI is also oversold here on the hourly charts. Coming to 2-hour charts, the moving average is crossed over here, trading with divergence here, 700, 760 greater resistance. On the upside, beyond 650 is where the bulls will try to take over, and hence do not try to initiate a buying entry as long as 34,650 is respected. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish here, RSI is also oversold. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour chart, see lower highs. This is the channel it is trying to create, and the lows of this channel is somewhere here at 34,500, 540 levels, which is going to remain a critical resistance, critical support zone for US30. And hence, if you see it staying below 34,500 is where one should initiate a sell entry. So at least in between 34,500 500 and 650, we have to at least remain watchful. Stochastic is extremely oversold on the 3-hour charts. It requires a probable pull-up. MACD is also extremely bearish and RSI is looking downwards. Coming to the 4-hour charts. Now see, on the 4-hour charts, all the candles stayed outside Bollinger Bands, and now this is increasing body size. I will wait for this closure of candle, and possibly if it stays above 34,600 and 650 zone, certainly more bullish momentum is going to be seen here. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent bearish, RSI is also staying bearish here. And if you look at the daily chart. Now see, daily charts have taken a shape. It has taken a bearish turn. It is just trying to come out to this position, or at best this position, which is right now at around 34,350 levels, and then on the upside 34,550 levels. So you 500 levels rather, I should say. So these levels are going to remain critical. On the downside, you have to watch carefully and take positions accordingly. On the upside, we all know beyond 650 is where the bulls will try to take over for 700, 760 and plus levels. So take positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch in Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update for US, UK and Europe indices. Do watch that update as well and press the bell icon. Thank you.